This is the slime, and we are doing a video with Mr. Spyguy and Dungeon Master, who is Mr. Spyguy's brother. It's zombies. Round 1. Get him.
Like, oh, there's so many.
Rape train him, guys. Rape train him. No. No.
Captain Pepper's down.
Captain Pepper, no.
Mr. Spyguy.
Captain, stop using the bow.
2 of them have survived round 1.
We have survived. Okay, when Dungeon Master gets back in here, give him back his stuff, and then we will start
Kim,
it.
you have his sword.
I do? Yeah, I do.
You should give him your used sword.
Okay, actually, we're just gonna continue it right now. You ready? I'm gonna pull the lever again, Ethan. Run around.
You gotta flip it twice. You gotta flip it twice.
Oh yeah, I have to flip it twice. You ready? Run.
Run.
Run. Run. Ethan, run.
Holy crap!
Ethan, no.
They're attracted to him.
Ethan, run around in a circle. Don't let him get you. No, we're gonna die.
Kim, go left. Turn around.
Nathan, come here. Or no, Ethan. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Run away. Use the bow.
No, I died. You're the only one left. Yeah, no. You have to go until you die. Wait, don't start it yet. I need to find you. I used it to try to get it on me and you, okay? I'm gonna come back. Don't start the next round yet. I need to come back there. Yeah, you can't start the next round until me and Dungeon Master are spectating. Or you can give us back our stuff and we can join you. Which do you choose? Okay. You ready? Okay, that's kind of hard. You ready? I'll pull the lever when you want me to, okay?
Hit it twice.
Okay, here we go. Goodbye. Run. No. He's gonna die. This might not be your round of death. Ethan survives to round 3. Me and, I survived to round 2.
Holy crap.
Ethan, just run in a circle. They'll all just burn. Get out of there, man. Ethan. Mr. Spy Guy, get out of there. You gotta get out of there. They're everywhere.
They're all on fire.
You have to kill them all. If you can survive to at least round 5, you're a ninja.
He punched you. Punch him. Punch battle.
What is hurting me? I started it early. Goodbye,
Punch
Mr.
him.
Spy Guy.
Punch him in there. Punch him in there. Punch him.
Goodbye, Dungeon Master. Oh, he made an iron sword. How did you take my iron sword, Dungeon Master? Okay, I'm gonna start another one. You two are now bust. Wait, give me my stuff back. I need my stuff back. I want my diamond stuff back. Yes, my iron and my diamonds. I had, I might as well just have an 2 iron swords. Give me my diamond one, please. I need my diamond one.
Yeah, grab it.
Okay, you ready? That's mine. I want my bow. Yeah, I have some arrows. Okay, is everybody ready? Uh-huh. Eat it. Yes, I will feed it to you. Okay, the thing is, we're gonna start it now, okay? Because I'm anxious to take revenge. See how many... We have 11 rounds to go. Guys, 11 rounds. You ready?
Hit it twice.
You ready? All I have to do... No waiting! No! These zombies are mean! Zombies are mean! Oh, the iron and iron swords are coming from the zombies. I'm putting out this fire. I can't take it anymore. Drops now, yeah. I need food, guys. I'm gonna die.
Eat the rotten flesh. Exactly.
Seriously, rotten flesh? That's what we have to eat? So we have to sit here and heal off rotten flesh? We all learned. Yeah, we're still recording.
This video is at 6 minutes.
And start it again, we shall.
Hit it twice. 1, 2. Die.
We don't need. I did. What's happening right now? It's all frozen. I see nothing. Oh, connection was lost. Well, we're gonna end the video here. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.